Hello my dear students, myself Smita Salim, Assistant Professor, BVOC, Industrial Instrumentation and Automation Department, MES College, Marambali. Here I am going to discuss about biopotential electrodes, that is coming under biomedical instrumentation. Let us go to the slides.
Biopotential electrodes. Biopotential electrodes function as an interface between biological structures and electronic systems. Electrical activity within the biological structure is either sensed or stimulated. The electrical systems are either passively sensing or actively stimulating electrical potentials within the biological structure or unit. Bioelectric potentials generated in our body are ionic potentials, and it is necessary to convert these ionic potentials into electronic potentials before they can be measured by conventional methods. Devices that can convert ionic potential into electronic potential are called electrodes. A transducer that converts the body ionic current in the body into the traditional electronic current flowing in the electrode is a bioelectrode. It is able to conduct a small current across the interface between the body and the electronic measuring circuit. Oxidation is dominant when the current flow is from electrode to electrolyte, and reduction is dominant when the current flow is in the opposite. The net current that crosses the interface passing from the electrode to electrolyte consists of: first one, electrons moving in a direction opposite to that of a current in the electrode; cations moving in the same directions; anions moving in direction opposite to that of the current in the electrolyte. Next we will see properties of bioelectrodes. The bioelectrodes are good conductors, low impedance, and should not polarize when current flows through them, should establish a good contact with the body and not cause motion, should not cause itching, swelling or discomfort to the patient. Metal should not be toxic, mechanically rugged, easy to clean. There are different types of electrodes. First one is surface electrode, and second one is microelectrodes, third one is internal electrodes, and fourth one is needle electrode. The surface electrodes are again divided into metal plate, floating electrodes and flexible electrodes. So next we will see surface electrodes. This is used for ECG, EEG and EMG. With conductive path between metal and skin, being electrolyte paste or jelly. Here the subtypes are metal type, suction type, floating type and flexible type. So next we will see surface metal electrodes. Here metal plate electrode used for application to limbs. Metal disc electrode applied with surgical tape. Disposable foam pad electrodes often used with the electrocardiograph monitoring apparatus. Here the diagram shows some surface electrodes. Next we will see suction surface electrodes. The picture is showing the suction surface electrode. Here a metallic suction electrode is often used as a precordial electrode on clinical electrocardiographs. No need for strap or adhesive and can be used frequently. Higher source impedance since the contact area is small. Next we will see the floating type electrodes. The recess in this electrode formed from an open foam disc saturated with electrolyte gel and placed over the metal electrode. This minimizes the motion artifact. Here you can see some floating surface electrodes. Next is the flexible type surface electrodes. This is used for newborn infants and it is compatible with X-ray also. So here you can see the flexible surface electrodes. Next we will discuss about microelectrodes. It is an electrode of very small size used in electrophysiology for either recording or neural signals or electrical stimulation of nervous tissue. MEAS are circuitless chips, sufficiently small to be placed into cells, sufficiently strong to penetrate cell membranes. The tip diameter is 0.05 to 10 microns. CMOS based MEA, that is microelectrode array, have high spatial and temporal resolution at excellent signal quality, useful to access the behavior of electrogenic cells. You can see some microelectrodes in this diagram. Next we will see internal electrode for detecting fetal electrocardiogram during labor by means of intracutaneous needles. Here there is no electrolyte gel is required. Needle electrodes. It penetrates the skin to record the potentials. It reduces interface impedance. Single wire inside the needle which act as the unipolar electrode measuring potential at the point of contact. Types are concentric, bipolar and monopolar. Next is the applications of bioelectrodes: cardiac monitoring, infant cardiopulmonary monitoring, sleep encephalography, diagnostic muscle activity, cardiac electrogram, implanted telemetry of biopotential eye movement. Thank you.